Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to set up multi-account cash stuffing for businesses in Relay. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to set up a multi-account cash stuffing for businesses in Relay, all you gotta do is simply go to Relay. So once you're in the Relay finances, you need to get signed up or log in into your account. So for this, you need to simply give your first name, last name, work email, and create a password. Now simply enter your birth date, phone number, and simply create an account. Once you have created the account, you need to simply give like verification about your personal details, some licenses and stuff. After you have done this, you need to navigate to the account section to tap on the plus sign. Now once you have done this, you need to simply choose the account type and assign team members, access the new account, and click on create account. Now you need to fund the new account. Simply transfer funds from your primary operating account to the newly created account, and you can simply set up automated transfers as well. So to automate the process, use Relay's automatic transfer rule to send a percentage of your income to different accounts, a method central to the profit first method. So by doing this, you can also manage your accounts by viewing the balances and transaction histories, and you're all set. So this is how you can set up multi-account cash stuffing for businesses in Relay. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.